everyone, this is Poojashree and welcome back to my channel Passion Fruit. In today's video, we are going to create this particular look over here for Navratri. First of all guys, those who haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. And guys, I'm really very sorry for the late upload of this video as it is Durga Puja time and I go super crazy during this time as we meet our old friends, we go pandal hopping with them, eat our favorite cuisines. So I hope you understand this craziness. So let's not waste any further time and begin with the video. As always, I'm prepping my skin using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I'm in love with this primer and you guys should definitely try this out. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Sun Beige. The shade number is 310. And I will be using a beauty blender to evenly blend out the foundation. I will be using the concealer from the Maybelline Fit Me collection and the shade number is 25. I'm starting off by applying the concealer underneath my eyes, on the side of my nose and on my forehead a little bit, on the top and the upper section of my lips and also on the side of my lips a little bit, on the bridge of my nose. So basically you can apply the concealer to hide all your flaws. And I'm again using my beauty blender to blend out the concealer evenly. Next, I will be using the Lakme 95 Powder Foundation in the shade Silky Golden. And finally, to set the base of my makeup, I'm using the NYX setting spray. I'm just spraying a little amount of product on my blender and dabbing it all over my face and neck. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the Color Bar Brow Pencil in the shade Chestnut 001. Let's move on to the eyes now. I will be using the Nika K Matte palette and I'm using the dark pink shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm using an eyeshadow brush to blend it out evenly all over. And for this particular makeup look, I'm using the pink and the orange shade eyeshadow combination as the outfit that I will be wearing for the Dandiya night is of the same combination. Then I'm taking the orange shade and applying it on the center portion of my eyes. I'm using a little amount of the yellow shade just to blend in all the colors. I'm taking the dark pink shade again and applying it onto my waterlines. And to complete the base, I'm using the light brown shade and applying it all over the crease line. As it is the Dandiya look, so little amount of glitter won't harm. I'm applying the red glitters onto the outer corner and the yellow glitters onto the inner corners of my eyes. Use a fluffy brush to brush out any fallouts. Next, I'm applying a very thin line of the eyeliner using the Lakme Insta Liner. Next, I'm using the Rimmel London Soft Gold to apply a very thin line of the kajal onto my waterlines. and I always love to smudge my kajal a little. After curling my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And for this look, I'm not going to use any kind of false lashes as I'm going to dance the night away. Next, I'm applying the Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie. And to contour my face, I'm using the Lakme Sun-Kissed Bronzer. I'm using the Color Bar lip liner in the shade Summer Pink to line my lips. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Pink 2, and trust me guys, this lip shade is just awesome and the texture of this lipstick is just wow. It's so buttery, so creamy, you have to have it. And finally, to get that extra amount of glow, I'm using the Nykaa highlighter in the shade 24K Glam 01 and applying it onto my cheekbones, onto my brow bones, on the bridge of my nose, and applying a little amount of product onto my cupid bow. I'm also applying onto my chin and also on my forehead. And this is the final makeup look. The next few videos and the pictures are from the Dandiya event that I have attended. I hope you enjoy them, and they are coming in 3, 2, 1, and here it is. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if so, give this video a big thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and families, and do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And in case you have any queries or you want me to make more such videos, do let me know in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. It means a lot to me. Signing off for today guys, until I come back with another such video. Bye guys.